President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. wants the plebiscite for the controversial economic charter change to be held simultaneously with the 2025 midterm elections. This was according to Senate President Juan Miguel Mig-Zubiri following their private meeting with the President in Malacanang this morning.
Kung gagawin natin yan bago mag-eleksyon, gagastos po tayo ng 12 to 14 billion. Siya mismo, galing mismo sa kanya, sinabi niya, mas gusto niya sabay na lang sa halalan ng 2025. So pagka ganun, hindi po tayo kailangan magmamadali. So he asked Senator Sani Angara to look at the legal possibilities to be able to convince the COMELEC to add that rider question sa likod, sa back page ng balota, kasama ng mga party list representatives on the amendments of the Constitution.
Senator Sani Angara, who heads the subcommittee discussing the resolution of both houses number 6, earlier said that they plan to approve the measure not later than October to include the proposal in the preparation of ballots. The Commission on Elections previously declared that it cannot conduct a plebiscite in 2025 due to legal issues, but later on pronounced that they can handle the synchronized voting. The Senate chief adds the President wants the House to adopt the Senate version of the measure and for the two chambers to vote separately, as he reiterated that the Senate will take the lead in the effort. Several House members earlier criticized the Senate for explicitly stating in RBH number 6 that the two houses will have a separate voting and amending the charter.
Sabi niya, it should be voted upon separately. As a matter of fact, he wants the House to adopt our version. Very nice. It was a very good meeting.
For now, the Senate plans to tackle the measure in the plenary after the long holiday break and approve it before the Senate adjourns sine die on May 24.
Ayoko na naman lalagyan ito ng timeline na hindi na-abot yung timeline. Sabihin sinungaling po ako. But best efforts. We're saying is best efforts. Basta what is important is very clear din ang gusto ng Pangulo na isabay na lang sa halalan yung plebisito. Para sa ganun makasave po tayo. Hindi pa namin maitatapos itong March kasi we have only 3 weeks left. Ang dami pa namin iti-take up na mga mahalagang measures.
Jorge Delgado, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.